Hello and welcome in this brief introduction of the BusinessLive platform. My name is V.J.Smejkal and we'll start with the basic idea behind. The success of the business is directly impacted by the quality of business life of the people. In other words, we cannot be successful if it is difficult to do the job. And by the term business life, you can imagine everything you do at work, from writing an email to running a sub-transaction. It is impacted by virtually anything, from the work environment, your colleagues, the organization of tasks, how well are the processes and operations designed, the tools, the software, everything. In this introduction, we will focus on these 4 points. So that was the idea behind, and let's be a lot more specific. So we will focus on the tools for the G Group supply chain, and I wonder what is the business life like in there. This is not going to be a criticism, let me state the obvious, and I call this let's be frank with ourselves. Let me do this quick review. I have picked these 5 tools for you. They are all extremely important for the supply chain. But I wonder, how well do they actually help the users in their daily life? The first one is Skynet. It provides a unique functionality and it's very much user-friendly. But on the other hand, only a fraction is used and it cannot be maintained properly. Then we have this MSR, Material Shortage Report. It provides a complete supply visibility, and not even a click application is capable of replacing its functionalities. But it takes so much effort to create, and the maintenance relies on just one person. Thirdly, we have this NPI MTS system. There is no other solution for this. And it is an insane complex of data loops, where, for instance, comments take 1 day to propagate through. Then we have this forecast breakdown, which is a 15 years old macro. It saves a lot of manual work, but on the other hand, it cannot be maintained at all. And lastly, Click. It is a perfect tool for data analysis and business intelligence, but on the other hand, the data input is mainly through Excel spreadsheets. So it forces you to create Excel trackers, and it is read-only. So not entirely easy, but what can we do to improve it? What we need is a simple platform for small tools, a complement to the systems like SAP, VendorWeb, GlobalNet, Orion, and others. Something that would be extremely flexible for changes and easy to distribute the changes, to step away from the Excel macros and store the information in databases rather than Excel spreadsheets. Something with a read and write capability to the systems and databases, and overall easy to use. Ladies and gentlemen, I am proud to present this year's innovation, the BusinessLive platform for Foxconn. It is a collection of add-ins for Microsoft Office. At the moment, it is a shell that can be filled with functionalities such as communication aid tools, lookups and editations for databases. It even has this platform settings in it, macro-like functionality for all Office products, as well as analytic tasks towards the databases or even standalone functionalities. This is a contemporary example of the ribbon in Outlook and Excel, but because it is so easy to add and remove the functionalities, it may be completely different nowadays. The release set comes with a smart computer setup to help you set the standard regional options right, for instance, My Card Balance to notify you of low balance in the canteen, several searches, and a set of modules with functionalities. And an example of a module Aries data source in Excel is right below. It shows you all the data tables from Aries for you. The BusinessLive brings no new environment, it's just your Microsoft Office. And you don't need to worry about new credentials either. Your Windows login is good enough. It is an inexpensive development for small tools. Those tools that are not worth being implemented in SAP, VenderWeb, Orion and other systems. Updates can happen right away, and the functionalities are organized in modules that can be easily added and removed. It has an excellent database connectivity for reading and writing, and it can do things from simple operations like cooperation with the web, or interaction with database. Sophisticated standalone applications such as the Aries Health Monitor. Up to a neural network engine. And that is all from me. Thank you very much for your attention and have a good business life.